Which of the following correctly represents 360 grams of water? So mass is given. So 360 grams of water mass is given. Now, what is the points they are correcting? So see, this is the model questions. Like I want to tell you, in basically in JEE Advanced and JEE Mains also and NEET also. So basically, more than one option will be correct. Like you can say A, B, C. Sometimes all are correct. Maybe A, C correct. So you cannot satisfy with one answer. So that's the reason. Like these questions will exactly will prescribe in such a ways that so more than one answer is correct. So you have to be very careful. Every answer you have to verify it. So that is the reason. Like these questions will help us to practice for that kind of questions for NEET and JEE when we are challenging. So which of the following correctly represents means definitely more than one is true in that. So that's what we have to find it. So let us see 360 grams of water is given. So given mass. What is the given mass, everybody? What is the given mass? 360 grams. Now, down options you see. Water. Water means what is the formula of water, everybody?
H2O.
Water. That is what. So here, if you observe the options, it is there in the moles also and particles also. Particles and moles. So, okay. So both we have to calculate. That's all. So if you know the mass, immediately I told you to calculate what? All of you? Molar mass. Am I right? If you know the mass, immediately you have to calculate molar mass. So what is the molar mass of water, everyone? Wrong answer, Laksha. Focus first. Listen. So what is the molar mass of water? Anyone? Rare. Very, very bad. You get gap means you'll forget everything. What is the molar mass of water? Particles of first part. Number of atoms of first particle. How many? First atom. First element. Number of atoms of first element. 2.
2.
Atomic mass of first element. 1. Number of atoms of second element. 1.
1.
Atomic mass of second element. 16.
16.
So 2 plus 16, which is equals
8.
to 18 gram per mole. That is what is the molar mass. 18 gram per mole. Now
That's
first
what.
we'll find, yes, number of moles. Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So given mass is 360, molar mass is 18. So 360 gram divided by gram per mole. So gram will get cancelled. 18 ones are 18 something. Anybody 360 means how much?
20.
Yes. So 1820s. So exactly. So what is the moles? N is equals to everybody. N is equals to how many moles? All of you?
20 more.
20 moles. Purima, everyone? So that is what it is. So finish. So 20. Second option is correct. First option is wrong. Laksha, understand? You said B. B means Roman number 1 is there. So you are wrong. Understand, Amma? Next. Number of particles. Number of particles is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So we want N now. So what is the formula? N is equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. So 20 into Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? Everybody. What is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 6.022 into 10 power 23. So multiply 20 into 6.022. What is the answer? All of you. 120.44 into 10 power 23. Now this decimal will move 2 digit before. I will write 1.2044 so that power will become 25. So what is the answer? Option
E.
4.
4.
So 2 and 4 is correct. So 3 is wrong. So what is the correct option? Option D. Do you understand, Laksha? Option B and option D, there is a lot of difference. So it's not a small thing. You have to learn. First learn molecular mass. How to find molecular mass, everybody? Formula. Prudvi, molecular mass formula, tell me. Molecular mass, how to find a mass? Number of atoms of Number
First
of
element.
atoms of first element into atomic mass of first element plus next what?
Number of atoms of
Number
second
of
element.
atoms of second element into atomic mass
Atomic
of
mass of
second
second
element.
element.
If third element is there, third. Fourth is there, fourth. Fifth is there, fifth. Like that you have to do it. Make it everybody. Understand? Simply it will never be. You have to solve. Everybody has to solve. Make a practice. Simply sitting means nothing is going to work out. Do it fast, everybody. Try to solve. Anybody having any doubt, please kindly ask me so that I can make. Kishore, Purima Kishore.
Yes, sir.
Call to Lingesh. What happened? Ask him. Alvin, call to Padma. Somebody call to absent. Is that Jayan also? Somebody call. Finish it, everybody. Understand my first question? Next. Which of the following statements is not true? Means we have to find false statement about an atom. So first, atoms are not able to exist independently. Right or wrong? Atoms are not able to exist independently. Atoms can exist or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So atoms can exist independently. Next, okay, let us go with the second option. Atoms are the basic units from which molecules and ions are formed. True or not? From atoms only correct molecules are forming. From atoms only correct ions are forming. Yes. Atoms are always neutral in nature. True or not? Atoms. In every atom, number of protons is equals to number of electrons. So what I told you, everybody. Electrically, what is that? Electrically, what charge? Atoms are electrically
Neutral charge.
neutral charge. So true or not? Everybody, true. Atoms aggregate in large numbers to form the matter that we can see, feel, or touch. Is it true or not? All
Yes,
the
sir.
atoms, many atoms will together will form. That is what is the compounds, or we can say molecules, big. That is only pieces. Now, what is what? Atoms are not able to exist independently, but atoms can exist independently. So that is why what is wrong? Option
A.
Do it. Yes, Mr. Lingesh, join with the number. Padma also. Why somebody need to call you? Why people cannot join? Hasani Sudhakar also late. Make it everybody next. The chemical symbol for nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is a what? Diatomic molecule or monoatomic? Everybody.
Diatomic molecule.
Diatomic. So diatomic means what is that? Nitrogen
D.
gas.
N2.
Noted that. Nitrogen atom, N. Understanding? Nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom, N. Nitrogen gas. It is a what? Everybody. N2. Clear? Next. The chemical symbol for sodium. Sodium. What is the symbol?
Na.
Ne. Nallium. Okay. That is what. Very good. Next. Which of the following would weight the highest? This can be asked for you people. Which of the following would weigh the highest? Weight they are asking. Which will be having? So shall we verify it, everybody? Weight they are asking. Yes. So if you know the molar mass, you can find it very simply. It is. So you can all notice it. So 10 moles of H2O. What is the molar mass? What is the molecular mass of water? Everybody? 18. Just
8
give me a phone.
gram.
Yeah, 18. You find only you, Amma. That's all. Okay, wa? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So you can find the mass also. Let us find now. So how to find mass? Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So you can see that given mass is equals to number of moles into molar mass. What is the number of moles, Ra? What is the number of moles? 10.
10,
What is the molar mass? What is the molar mass?
80,
18 gram per mole. So that 10 into 18, how much it is? 180 gram. How much it is?
80 gram.
80 gram. Okay, simple,
180
simple,
gram.
we'll finish it. Now, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, what is the molar mass? 44 gram per mole. Am I right? Theriyada? Carbon, number of atoms, 1. Carbon 12 plus. Oxygen 2. Oxygen 16. So 12 plus 32. How much it is? 44. Purimara?
44.
Yes. So 44 over. Then number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is equals to number of moles into molar mass. You all should find how many things I'll teach. So number of moles is 2. Molar mass is 44. So which is equals to how many grams? How many grams?
80.
88 grams. Next, 0.2 moles of sucrose. C12H22O11. Find the molar mass first. Molar mass what? 12 into carbon 12 plus hydrogen 22 into 1 plus oxygen 11 into 16. Solanga everybody 12 12 ja 12 square ra.
144.
1,
Yes. 12 square means how much everybody? 12 into 12.
144.
144 plus 22 into 1. 22 plus 11 into 16. 170.
176.
Okay, so what is the answer? 144 plus 22 plus 176, which is equals to 342 gram per mole. So now you can find the mass, number of moles into molar mass. Number of moles just 0.2. So 0.2 into 342, how much it is? 0.2 into 342. Yes, everybody, 68.4 grams. 68.4 grams. Ellame puriyama. See one MCQ, how much big things. It is not easy, that's what I'm saying. Next, last one, calcium carbonate. So number of atoms of calcium. Everybody, how much ra? Molar mass, tell me. Number of atoms of calcium, how many? 1. What is the atomic mass of calcium? Check it and tell me.
40.
Calcium,
40.
40 plus number of atoms of carbon, 1.
1.
Atomic
1,
mass is what?
12.
12.
1,
Plus number of oxygen, 3.
3.
Atomic mass is 16. Unless you speak, you are not going to change. Life will be like this only. So 16 threes are 48.
48,
Yes or
48.
no? Yes. So if you want to be normal, silent, please not required to attend. You can take rest. Many people are there. So I will take enough for them, for me. So 100 gram per mole. Okay, so what is the molar mass? Number of moles into molar mass. What is the number of moles? Check it, everybody. 2. Molar mass is how much? 100, which is equals to how much? 100, 200 grams. What is the correct option? What is the correct option?
option,
Option C. Okay, do it. All understood, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Do it, everybody. Very good question it is. Agalya solving Kavya, Alfin. Formula
Yes,
is,
sir.
sir, what I can do, sir, means what I should do. Do it. Shivani,
Yes, sir.
formulas. Formulas தெரியாதா? No use of studying. That's what I can say. Everything formulas only. Mr. Gokul, when are you joining this much late, huh? Always late. Mr. Pranav completed. Jai Krishna. Next.
Yes,
See,
sir.
every question is challenging question only. All will be like this only. One MCQ will take how much time you see. Then how fast you have to be in calculation. That is what is needed. Mr. Mari completed. Next, they're asking which of the following has maximum number of atoms? Atoms they are asking. So see that two levels it is. So 18 grams of H2O. So 18 grams of H2O. What is the molar mass of water? Molar mass of water. Molar mass of water.
18 gram per mole.
Molar mass of oxygen. 2 into 16.
Gram per
32. Molar mass of carbon dioxide. 44. Molar mass of CH4. 1 into 12. 1 into 12 plus 4 into 1, which is equals to 12 plus 4, which is equals to how much?
16.
15 gram per mole. So I found it. Now they are asking maximum number of atoms. Atoms means particles. So particles means first I have to find moles. So number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Solve it everybody. 18 divided by 18, 1 mole. So which is equals to 1 into Avogadro number. That is what? N into Avogadro number. So will gives us the number of particles. Do you all able to understand or not? Speak guys. Everybody. So 6.022 into 10 power 23. Answer is 6.022 into 10 power 23. That is what? Water. Then what about oxygen? Let us solve. So oxygen how many moles? Verified. 32 divided by, sorry, 18 grams only. Yeah. So 18 divided by 32. How much am I answer? 18 divided by 32. Arey yaar. 18 divided by 32.
1 by 2,
Divided by 32
0.5.
తెలియదారా? How much answer? Okay, let it be 18 divided by 32 moles. That is what? Now number of particles. So 18 divided by 32 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So I'll make it. So 18 divided by 23 means we can make two table. Two table, how much it will come? 2 nines are, 2 ones are, 2 six are, 16. Am I right, everybody? So that's all. So you can do it. Yes or no, everybody? Yes, 9 into 6.022. So 9 into 6.022, which will come around 54.198 divided by 16 into 10 power 23. So divided by 16, if I do it, I'll get it approximately 3.38 into 10 power 23. Okay, that is O2. Then what about carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide molar mass is 44. So what will happen, everybody? 18 divided by 44. So 2 nines are 2 twos are 2 twos are. So 9 by 22 moles. 9 by 22 moles means what is the particles? 9 by 22 into Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 9 into 6.022, just now we have studied that. That is what? 54.198 divided by, instead of 16, you have to divide with what? Speak loudly. You have to divide with a 22. So solve it, everybody. Answer will come into 10 power 23. So answer will come 2.46 into 10 power 23. Last one, 18 grams of CH4. So 16 is there. So what will happen, everybody? 18 divided by 16. So 2 nines are, 2 eights are. 9 by 8 moles. So 9 by 8 moles means 9 by 8 into Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 9 into 6.022 means how much it is? 54.198 divided by 8. All of you do it 8 and tell me. See, for one MCQ, how much it is time. That is what I'm saying. So it is always like this only in higher classes. So into 10 power 23. So 6.7747 into 10 power 23. So which is highest? Verify, all of you. Which is highest? This is CH4 and this is carbon dioxide and this is O2 and this is H2O. Which is bigger? Check it. This is 6.0, this is 6.77. So which is bigger?
D.
Option. Option
D.
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 Okay.
D.
CMR solving one question, how much big it is. Imagine, suppose, of course, they deleted for you and you are happy. But you imagine till last year it will be like this. And again it is going to come in the 11th class, mole concept. So by that time MCQs will be like this. So imagine how fast you have to solve and how quickly you need to get the answers. That is what. But this question, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me or else we'll proceed further. Understand, Kavya? Alfin? Everybody has to solve. It is not, of course, let it be deleted, doesn't matter for us. We have to learn and we have to do it. Make it everybody. Mari, any doubt, Mari? Lingesh?
Sir.
Yes. Make it fast. Mr. Mukesh solving, jolly sitting, Next question. Next question. Which of the following contains maximum number of molecules? Of course, atoms here molecules. So let it be. The same will come. So what will happen, anybody? So this also you try to solve the similar way. First to find gram is given. Gram, given mass is given. So what is the molar mass? Molar mass of carbon dioxide. Speak loudly. 44
Gram per
gram.
mole.
Molar mass of nitrogen, 2 into 14. How much, Ra? 2 into 14. 20
28.
gram per mole. You have to be very fast. 2 into 1, hydrogen.
2 gram per mole.
Yes. 2 gram per mole. Next, CH4. Just now we studied 1 into 12 plus 4 into 1. Yes, which is 16 gram per mole. And then can you find the particles now? Number of particles is equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. Avogadro number. So use this one. So you'll get the answer 1 gram of hydrogen gas. That is having the maximum number of molecules. Option C will come. Similar way how to solve. But everybody has to solve and you have to send me the answer after the class. Okay, everybody? Understand? Lingesh? Niroshi? Solving See, I know far away from the numericals, how long we can survive. Nobody knows. So you all should love to solve the numericals. That is the importance. Higher classes from this stage, you are all going to experience that is only. Full of every subject becomes into numerical. Physics, chemistry, maths, all three looks similar. If you go to 11th, physics is like you can see is more than a mathematics. At least mathematics you can see some theory part. But physics everywhere you can see is numericals, mathematical derivations, expressions, that one. That's what I'm saying. So finish it. So next 8th question. 7th question you have to send me the answer. 8th question. Mass of one atom of oxygen is there asking. Mass of one atom of oxygen. One atom just. Okay. So this is also one of the beautiful question. So very important question. So please mark it everybody and we'll proceed. Very important question. Mass of one atom of oxygen is oxygen they're asking. So if you take oxygen atom, so basically oxygen we will consider as a atom. Let me take it. One atom they are asking. So one atom means oxygen, O or O2, one atom. One atom means O or O2. Everybody? Okay. So O, which is actually how much molar mass? Anybody? Molar mass is equals to 1 means 1 into 16, which is equals to how much, Ra?
16.
Gram per mole.
Okay. Now what they're asking actually, what is the mass of one atom they're asking? One atom. Am I right, everyone? So what will happen basically, if I take the oxygen, like basically 1 mole if I take. If I consider 1 mole, means in the sense of what is the molar mass? But 1 mole means how many particles will be there? Anybody? We all know 1 mole is equals to 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance is equals to molar mass, which is equals to Avogadro number. Do you remember this statement, everybody? 1 mole of any substance is equals to molar mass and it is equals to Avogadro number. This is N naught, Avogadro number. Yes or no? Respond, guys. Yes. So now 16 grams, molar mass is 16 grams. Molar mass is 16 grams for how many mole? 1 mole, which is equals to Avogadro number. So Avogadro number means how many particles? 6.022 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms is equals to 16 grams. Now they are asking one particle. So I will write like this. 6.022 into 10 power 23 into oxygen atoms current. So I will write one oxygen atom is equals to my oxygen. Oh, it is not 10. One oxygen atom is equals to 16 grams. Now we want only one oxygen atom. One oxygen atom is equals to, this is in multiplication. Will come this side, what will become? What it will become? Everybody
Division.
listen. So that is only the answer. What is your answer?
A.
Yes. Option.
A.
Option A. One atom. One oxygen atom. That is. Write it. Make it quick. Understand? Huh? Clear, everybody? Any doubt in this? You can ask. All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. 3.42 grams of sucrose are dissolved in 18 grams of water in a beaker. The number of oxygen atoms in the solution are, they're asking. So this question is very, very big question actually, but still okay, we'll solve it. So they're asking, see, 3.42 grams of sucrose are dissolved in 18 grams of water in a beaker. In a beaker, the number of oxygen atoms in the solution are they're asking. So if you all observe very carefully, sucrose. Sucrose, here's formula came. Here all of you verify where somewhere sucrose came. They asked us, correct? Where is that sucrose? Yeah. Sucrose C12H22O11. C12H22O11. That is the sucrose formula. So write that, everybody. C12H22O11. So this is what is actually the sucrose. Now see, they are asking only what is the number of oxygen atoms. So if you want to know first oxygen atoms, first you need to know total number of molecules of sucrose. Am I right or wrong, everybody? Do you remember? Each molecule of sucrose contains how many atoms of oxygen? Each molecule of sucrose contains how many number of oxygen? 11. So suppose if I give you 100 sucrose molecules, 100 sucrose molecules, then total number of oxygens how many? 100 into 11. If it is hydrogens, 100 into 22. If it is carbons, 100 into 12. So that is what. So you need to know first total number of sucrose molecules. So how to find it? So we have already found. So how many grams they have given? Grams is equals to 3.42 grams of sucrose it is. Divided by number of moles I am doing. Molar mass. What is the molar mass of sucrose? Just now we have solved. Anybody? Molar mass of sucrose. Check it, everyone. How much it is? Molar mass of sucrose. How much we got it?
342 grams.
342 grams. Okay. So just they're making, see, 342 grams. So gram per mole. So can anybody tell me what is the answer? 342 divided by 34200. So do the division and tell me how many moles, everyone. Make it quick. 342 divided by 34200, which is equals to how many moles, Ra? Yes, please. All of you, 0.01 moles. Purima, everybody. Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Lingesh. So first we are finding total number of particles, Lingesh. Do you understand, Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See now this one without putting a pen or calculation, I can say this answer. Can you anybody tell me how it is? So very simple. 3.42 can I write in the form of powers? 342 into 10 power minus 2. Anybody? Any problem?
No,
Divided by 342. Yes or no? 342 get cancelled. So 1 into 10 power minus 2. 1 into 10 power minus 2 means 0.01 moles. That's all. So I can solve without putting the pen. That's what. Just I want to teach you how to do it. So what is the number of moles, everybody? Number of moles is 0.01 moles. Actually, it is a total particles of sucrose, moles. Now, total number of particles. So, total number of particles equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. So, which is equals to 0.01 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So, multiply it, everybody. 6.022. If I have been multiplied it, I will get the answer 0.06022. 0.06022 into 10 power 23. Sucrose molecules. So this is the total number of sucrose molecules. But each sucrose molecule, how many oxygens are there? Everybody. Each sucrose molecule, how many oxygens are there? Please speak, guys. Each sucrose molecule, how many oxygens are there? Yes, please.
11.
11. Okay. So that is what. But they are making here. Okay. So 11 is there. So you can multiply it. So oxygen, number of particles of oxygen is equals to, so 111 into 0.06022 into 10 power 23. So if you have been done that, you'll get the answer 0.66 into 10 power 23 particles of oxygen will be there total. So, but here options are not matching. They are asking in the solution. 1 minute. Oxygens of solution means this is 18 and here 18 grams of water. Okay, I think water also we have to add it. We'll do it. Just a minute. I'll find it and I'll verify and let you know. Okay, I found number of oxygen atoms in sucrose. Sucrose, I find it. Now water is remaining. So total they are asking, correct, water. So water means 18 grams. So 18 grams of water means what is the moles? How many moles, Ra? 18 grams means how many moles, everybody? Yes, please. Speak, guys. 1 mole. Yes or no? Molar mass also 18 gram per mole. So 1 mole it is. So number of particles is equals to given moles into Avogadro number. So given moles is 1 into Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 power 23. So this is the total number of particles of H2O. But in that oxygen, how many are there? Only 1. So each particle is having 1 oxygen. So total number of oxygens also 6.022 into 10 power 23. So this plus this, if I add it, I'll get the answer. Yes, correct. So plus 6.022. Very good. So exactly you'll get the answer 6.68 into 422 into 10 power 23. So option A is correct. Once again, can I say everybody? Can I explain everyone? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So all of you observe everybody. It's a very simple question. So no need to worry. So now everybody notice that they are saying 3.42 grams of sucrose. So sucrose means what? C12H22O11 is dissolved in water. Water, how many grams of water, everybody? 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water. Now they are asking the number of oxygen atoms in the solution. Solution they are asking. So total number of oxygen atoms in the solution. So we have to find number of particles of total oxygen in sucrose plus water. So if you notice it, water formula is H2O. So molar mass is 18. Given mass is also 18. So number of moles is 1 mole. 1 mole will come. So number of particles is Avogadro number. Number of oxygen atoms is also Avogadro number. Over. Because only one oxygen. H2O, 1. Now sucrose if you come, sucrose molar mass if you calculate it, you will get 342 gram per mole. And number of moles is equals to 0.01 moles. Then total number of particles is multiply with Avogadro number, you will get 0.06022 into 10 power 23 sucrose molecules. So each sucrose molecule contains 11 oxygen atoms. Each sucrose molecule contains 11 oxygen atoms. So total number of oxygen atoms in sucrose is equals to 11 into 0.06022 into 10 power 23. If I multiply it, I will get 0.66 into 10 power 23 particles of oxygen total. So total of oxygen equals to 0.66 plus 6.022. So common